Welcome back to Factful Finance. If you're exploring new ways to make money in the digital world, chances are you've come across the buzz around AI-generated NFTs and digital collectibles. But the question is, are they still worth it? Let's dive into this emerging market and figure out whether AI-powered art, music, and digital assets are a profitable investment or just another tech fad. You've probably heard a lot about NFTs. These digital assets exploded onto the scene a few years ago with multi-million-dollar sales and celebrity endorsements. But things have changed. The hype has cooled off, and now AI is stepping into the spotlight, adding a whole new layer of complexity to the NFT space. So, how do we navigate this? Is there money to be made, or is this just another bubble ready to burst? First, let's talk about the foundation of this trend: AI-generated NFTs. These are digital artworks, collectibles, or even music tracks that are created using artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional NFTs that might be handcrafted by an artist, AI-generated assets are produced by algorithms, machines creating digital art based on a set of instructions or a trained dataset. But here's the catch. AI is evolving rapidly, and it's changing the way we think about art, music, and ownership. AI tools like Suno and Udio are reshaping the digital music scene, allowing creators to generate music with the click of a button. These platforms have even gained recognition in the world of NFTs, with AI-produced tracks being sold as limited edition collectibles. But the big question still remains: are these collectibles a sound financial investment? To answer this, let's look at both the potential and the risks. 1. Market demand for AI-generated digital collectibles. In recent years, the NFT market has become more nuanced. Collectors are no longer just buying JPEGs, they're after unique, scarce, and innovative digital assets. AI-generated NFTs check all those boxes. But just because something is unique doesn't mean it will appreciate in value. The market is still volatile, and as AI-generated art becomes more accessible, the value of any one piece might be harder to predict. 2. AI tools making waves. Suno, Udio, and beyond. AI-powered platforms like Suno and Udio are game changers in the digital music and art space. Suno is known for its ability to generate music tracks based on various genres and moods, perfect for artists and collectors who want exclusive audio NFTs. Udio, on the other hand, is more niche, focusing on creating music-driven experiences and interactive sound pieces. Both platforms are pushing boundaries, offering something new to NFT buyers. But that doesn't mean the market is guaranteed to grow. AI can produce endless variations of content, which makes it easier to flood the market with similar pieces. This creates a unique challenge for investors and collectors who are looking for something scarce and valuable. Unlike a traditional artist who can only create a limited number of artworks, an AI tool can churn out seemingly endless collections, leading to oversupply. Are AI-generated NFTs sustainable long-term? In the short term, AI-generated NFTs might be a quick way to turn a profit, but long-term success is far from guaranteed. Here's why. The value of NFTs is driven by scarcity and demand. As the tech improves, it's likely that more creators and hobbyists will enter the space, increasing the supply of digital art. In other words, unless you're buying pieces that have strong community backing, or that belong to a project with long-term potential, it's hard to tell if your investment will grow over time. Take Liam, for example. He jumped into the AI-generated NFT market a year ago and bought several pieces produced by AI music tools. Initially, he saw some gains, selling a few for a decent profit. But now, the market is flooded with similar AI-generated music tracks, and prices are beginning to stabilize, if not decline. Liam's NFTs, once valuable, are now harder to sell. However, it's not all doom and gloom. There are still a handful of high-profile AI artists, individuals who have established themselves in the space, even blending AI-generated work with human creativity, that are doing well. These projects tend to build communities, and communities are the backbone of NFT success. 4. The financial risk, speculative nature of AI NFTs. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: risk. NFTs in general are speculative investments, and when you add AI into the mix, the stakes get even higher. The novelty of AI might attract initial interest, but over time, the bubble may burst. Think of it like the dot-com boom. There was a lot of hype, but not every tech startup survived. A good rule of thumb when investing in any speculative market, especially NFTs, is diversification. Don't put all your money into one digital collectible, whether it's AI-generated or not. Look at a broader portfolio, including traditional assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate, alongside your digital assets. AI-generated NFTs may make a part of your portfolio, but they shouldn't be the whole thing. 5. Tax implications and legal considerations. Another crucial factor that often gets overlooked is taxes. Like other digital assets, AI-generated NFTs are subject to tax laws, including capital gains tax on any profits made from selling them. This means that when you sell an AI-generated NFT for more than you paid, you could be on the hook for taxes. Be sure to consult a tax professional, especially if you're dealing with large sums. Furthermore, the legal ownership of AI-generated art and NFTs can be tricky. In many cases, AI creators retain the rights to the algorithms used to generate the art, while buyers only have ownership of the digital asset itself. Understanding the fine print, like licensing agreements or terms of service, is essential to making sure your investment is protected. 6. The bottom line: should you invest in AI-generated NFTs? So, are AI-generated NFTs worth your time and money? The answer depends on your risk tolerance and understanding of the market. If you're a long-term investor looking for something secure, NFTs, AI-generated or not, might not be the best fit. However, if you're an early adopter, a tech enthusiast, or someone who loves the idea of supporting new forms of digital art, this space can be an exciting and potentially profitable place to experiment. Just remember, AI-generated NFTs are still in their infancy. The market is fluctuating, and while there's money to be made, there's also significant risk. If you choose to invest, do so wisely and ensure that your portfolio is well-rounded. Want to learn more about how to navigate this digital investment world? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments. I'll respond to as many as I can. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on our next deep dive into digital finance trends. And always remember, this content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Be sure to consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. Looking for your next digital investment opportunity? This video will give you the insights you need. Catch it now.